and another problem with organ problem. And if you do this kind of difference between what I feel like is from the cause is from organic roots, and on the other hand, what does the cause from emotional problem like anxiety or
Yeah.
depression? To acknowledge the difference between organic cause and emotion cause is very important in the treatment of anxiety.
Right. Actually, there are
And
two symptoms that stick out to me. The
yeah,
grinding of teeth. I don't know
yeah,
where that shows up. So it's somewhere on the list, maybe further down.
yes,
But
let me
grinding
see.
of teeth grinding, or
A
is that
grinding of teeth here.
grinding my teeth?
Here.
I
Okay.
actually have to wear a guard at night so that I don't
Yes,
destroy my teeth, you know?
yeah,
And that's definitely related. I think that's more specific to anxiety and stress.
exactly. Yeah,
But I
it's very,
grind my teeth a lot because
yes, it's like a
allergies,
bruxism. Bruxism is another word for grinding your teeth.
yeah, allergies don't really cause grinding, I believe. Um, the other one is ringing in my left ear.
Exactly. I
Yeah.
remember you told me. How do you cope with the ring in your ears? How do you feel this? It's very difficult.
Yeah, so I went to see an ear specialist because I thought, "Oh no, maybe I have problems with my hearing."
Yeah,
And the specialist did a bunch of tests, and everything came back fine, like 100%. My hearing is normal, it's fine, and the structure of the ear canal and everything, no problem. They did a brain scan, there was no problem. So I guess it has to do more with anxiety, and here on the list, it's listed as a specific symptom. And it's not very loud, but I can
mhm,
I can hear it all the time. Yeah.
okay. And James, have you had psychotherapy? Have you go to the psychotherapy someday in your life?
I haven't before, but I've always been curious, you know.
Mhm.
The closest thing I did to psychotherapy was, I guess, or seeing a psychologist was one time I visited a hypnotherapist.
Okay, very nice.
But he could not get me to enter the hypnosis state, to relax myself enough. I was blocking everything
Okay.
internally, so it wasn't successful. He couldn't break me.
Did
I was
you?
fighting.
Do you feel afraid of to be hypnotized?
I was very curious and I wanted to receive this therapy, but I
Mhm.
think internally I was fighting. You know, O-
Okay, yeah.
on the surface, I wanted to experience this, but
Mhm,
inside I was fighting because
mhm,
I believe I was maybe, even though I was not aware of it, I was a little bit fearful of losing all control in the
mhm.
hypnosis state,
Yeah,
the hypnotic state. Yeah.
yes. But do you nowadays what kind of feelings and emotions most worry you? What kind of thoughts is stay inside your mind that worry you a lot?
Okay. So I live here alone in Mexico,
Mhm.
and I am a social media content creator and an
Yeah.
English teacher. So I run my own business. And when it comes to running your own business, some months are very good, some months are not so good, right? And it's
Yes.
kind of up and down. When you're working for a company, your salary is steady. Every
Yeah.
month, you're going to receive a certain amount, right? And maybe you don't make a lot working for a company, but your income is steady and predictable, right? when you are running your own business, like yourself, you have months that are up, months that are down. So this can be stressful, and it
Yes,
can
of course.
make you feel anxious sometimes, because when you're having a bad month, it's like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I will have enough to eat tomorrow, right? So, but we choose this path because this is our passion, and we enjoy doing this. It comes with its advantages and disadvantages, like anything. But that's
Mhm.
definitely part of it, right? Like you gotta
Yeah.
make sure you're running things correctly so that you can stay afloat, like the boat
Yeah.
on the water. You don't sink.
Yeah. Yes, it's very interesting because people suffer from anxiety. They feel like the problem is uncertainty about the future.
Uncertainty. Yeah,
Yes, and
exactly.
this kind of uncertainty happens. All of the human beings feel uncertainty about the future, but the problem is how we could deal with our uncertainties,
Yeah,
because life is uncertainty all the time.
uncertain. Yeah, and you were talking about meditation last time we spoke.
Yes, yes, yes. Because
Yeah,
meditation, the one of the principle of meditation is to be here and now. When you
right.
train your mind to stay calm down, real and here and now, you could train your mind to pay attention in your day life. And this is the most important thing you have in our life is the present moment.
Yeah,
When you focus in this technique, it's very important to calm down, to organize our mind, to stay in balance with our soul, our mind, and our feelings.
right.
Because the future is will always
In the imagination, right?
yes,
In the mind. The future is in the mind.
in the mind. Yeah. When you
Maybe hold
train
your
your
hands out
mind, yeah, the
and
wonder,
realize, like, I am here. I'm not in the future. I am here right now.
yeah. Like here in the article, cognitive symptoms, continual worry, poor concentration, trouble remember things, loss of sense of humor, indecisiveness, lack of creativity, trouble think clearly.
Yeah,
Maybe I.
I've experienced the trouble thinking clearly, when you feel
Mhm.
like you have so many thoughts in your mind that you cannot focus on one, right?
Yeah,
Because you have a lot of maybe stress in your mind, and everything is just flying.
yeah.
And you need to catch one thought and slow it down, but it's difficult because you feel anxious. Yeah.
Exactly. And one of the reasons people feel anxious about the thoughts, the multiple thoughts, is about they try to hold on the thoughts. And
Mm.
the meditation touch us, could teach us like you could let go the thoughts, like a horse, white horse in the camp. We could let go the thoughts in the freeway, and step by step, day by day, you hold our thoughts in a good way. Is in calm down relationship with your thoughts, not to hold in the aggressive
Yes.
way.
Like, allow your thoughts to be there, but sit back and observe them, but don't
Yeah.
judge them.
Yes,
Just
yes.
let them fly, but
Hmm.
don't try to judge them, and just observe them. Don't
Yes,
let them affect you physically. Yeah.
of course. The most difficult thing is to our relationship with our thoughts in the freeway, because
Yeah.
we need control. Maybe you think, oh, I should control my thoughts. This
Yeah.
is the great problem.
Right.
Okay, James, we will finish. Thank you very much for coming here and to give me your attention and your experience from your life. Thank you very
I
much.
truly enjoyed my time with you, and thanks for inviting me.
Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.
You too. Bye.